Okay, so hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to solve two-step equations in algebra using the SEIC method. So, is anyone familiar with the SEIC method? Well, that's okay because today we are going to get real familiar with how to solve two-step equations. So, the first step in the SEIC method is to simplify your equation by removing any parentheses or brackets. So our sample equation that we're going to solve is right here. 2 times parentheses 3x minus 4 equals 22. So using the first step of the SEIC method to simplify by removing any parentheses or brackets, who can tell me how do we remove these parentheses? Anyone have any ideas?
Divide.
Divide, good. What should we divide by?
2.
2, good job. So by dividing by 2 on both sides, we can make this 1 and get rid of the parentheses because this 2 is being multiplied by everything in the parentheses. So you guys are correct, exactly correct. So we'll be left with 3x minus 4 equals 11. The next step in the SEIC method is to eliminate by using addition or subtraction. So we're going to add or subtract the same value on both sides of the equation to isolate the variable. Looking at our sample equation now, who can tell me what should we add / subtract by in order to isolate our variable further?
Add 4 to both sides.
Good job, Janelia. So if we add 4 to both sides of the equation, we're going to isolate x further. So we'll be left with 3x equals 15. Good job. The next step in the SEIC method is to isolate the variable. So you want to multiply or divide both sides of the equation to isolate the variable. We want to get x by itself. What can we do to get x by itself in this step?
Divide by 3.
Divide by 3. We divide by 3, this will change to 1, and this will change to? Anyone know?
5.
5. And you're done. Almost. The most important step in solving two-step equations is to check your work. So you want to plug this value back into your original equation and make sure that you did the right work. So let's go ahead and do that. We have 2 times 3. Our x value is 5 minus 4 equals 22. I have to use PEMDAS here. So parentheses, what's inside the parentheses? 3 times 5 minus 4. What's 3 times 5?
15.
15. Next step would be to subtract 15 minus 4.
11.
11. And then we just need to multiply. What's 2 times 11?
22.
22. And so we can see that we did the SEIC method correctly. So does anyone have any questions? No questions? Great. So now, in order to remember the SEIC method for solving two-step equations, we are going to do a chant. So I'm going to do the chant first so that everyone is familiar with it, and then we will do it together. So here is the chant. It goes like this. Simplify, take brackets out, get it right. Eliminate, add or subtract to clear the site. Isolate, divide, multiply to set variables free. Check, plug it back in. Correct as can be. Everyone got it? Good. Okay, here we go together. Simplify, take brackets out to get it right.
Right.
Eliminate,
Eliminate.
add or
Add or
subtract
subtract
to clear
the site.
Isolate, divide,
Multiply to set variable free.
Check, plug it back in.
Plug back in.
Correct as can be. Great job. You guys did a great job today, and